The Island Princess. Once upon a time, on a vibrant island surrounded by turquoise waters, there lived a young princess named Leilani. She was known across the island for her kindness, her bravery, and her deep connection with the sea. Leilani was no ordinary princess. She loved the beach, played with the island animals, and spent her days listening to the whispers of the ocean waves, as if they shared secrets only she could hear. One morning, as Leilani walked along the beach collecting seashells, she noticed something unusual. The waves seemed to be whispering louder than ever before. She closed her eyes and listened closely, hearing a voice that seemed to say, "Help us, princess." The coral cave, the heart of the ocean. Leilani opened her eyes wide in surprise. She knew of the coral cave. It was a mysterious place located beneath the waves, hidden from view and rarely spoken of. It was said to be the heart of the island's magic, a place where the spirit of the ocean rested. Intrigued and concerned, Leilani decided she must go and find out what was wrong. She hurried back to the village and told her best friend Kai, a brave island boy who loved adventure. Together, they gathered supplies and set off to find a way to reach the coral cave. They had heard legends of the cave, but had never actually seen it. They knew it wouldn't be easy, but Leilani's determination was strong. They boarded a small canoe and paddled toward a spot the villagers called the Eye of the Ocean, a calm patch of water where the cave was believed to be hidden. As they neared the spot, the water began to glow with a strange blue light. Kai and Leilani looked at each other in amazement. They had never seen the ocean like this before. Just as they reached the Eye of the Ocean, the canoe stopped, as if held in place by an invisible force. Leilani felt the ocean's power calling to her, and she took a deep breath. She looked over at Kai, and he nodded, giving her courage. Together, they dove into the glowing water, swimming deeper and deeper until they spotted the entrance to the coral cave. The cave was breathtaking, filled with corals of every color and shimmering with a magical light. As they swam inside, they noticed that the water around them grew warmer and the whispers grew louder, guiding them toward the center of the cave. There, they saw something incredible, a large, glowing shell known as the heart of the ocean. But something was wrong. The heart of the ocean was dim, its light flickering as if it was losing strength. Leilani reached out to touch it, and as she did, she felt a pulse of energy flow through her. The ocean's voice spoke again, saying, "The heart is weak. Only kindness and courage can restore its light." Leilani understood what she had to do. She closed her eyes and focused on the love she felt for her island, the animals, the people, and the ocean itself. She thought of every act of kindness she had ever done and the courage it took to protect her home. Suddenly, the heart of the ocean began to glow brighter. Leilani and Kai watched as the light grew stronger, filling the cave with a warm, golden glow. The whispers of the ocean turned to joyful laughter, and the water around them sparkled with magic. The heart of the ocean had been restored. As they swam back to the surface, they saw that the ocean had calmed, and the waves were gentle and clear. They climbed back into the canoe, feeling the island's gratitude in every breeze and every wave that lapped against the shore. When they returned to the villagers greeted them with cheers and gratitude. They could feel that the island was at peace, its magic restored by the courage and kindness of Princess Leilani and her friend Kai. From that day on, Leilani was known as the Heartkeeper Princess, the protector of the island and the ocean's friend. And whenever she walked along the beach, she listened to the waves, knowing that the island would always be safe as long as kindness and courage guided her heart. And so, the legend of the island princess and the heart of the ocean was passed down through generations, reminding everyone of the power of kindness and bravery. True strength lies in kindness and courage. By listening to the needs of others and acting with a compassionate heart, we can restore balance and harmony, not only in our lives, but also in the world around us.